schools. There was a board written, and it asked, "What day is today?" And the answer was, "My favorite day." Yes, it was written by our very own Eleanors. At first, we didn't quite get it. We thought it was just a clever line, something wise to sound grown up. But standing here today, we finally get it. Today is special, not because it's grand or perfect, but because it's real. It is filled with laughter, nostalgia, and maybe a few hidden tears. It's a day we celebrate every moment our seniors spent guiding us and showing us what leadership truly looks like. They taught us that life isn't about waiting for someday. It is about cherishing today, making it count, and leaving behind memories that speak louder than words. So, dear seniors, as you step into your tomorrows, remember, today will always belong to you and to us who are lucky enough to share it with you.
Our seniors have been some of the most beautiful artworks in motion. They have colored the Ramnee canvas with their laughter and warmth. They have showed us that being a masterpiece isn't about perfection, but about growth. Their presence has inspired us. Their memories have colored our days, and their spirit will always live with us. As they move forward into new beginnings, may they keep on painting their lives with creativity and grace.
Remember, your mental limitations are of your own making. A code that lies etched in the classroom of our very own Eleanors. This code pertains to the limits that we put on ourselves, and to those we limit the actions that we take. We undermine our potential and what we can achieve through it. So as the Eleanors move out of the blue gates of Ramnee and onto the world stage, they should let their greatness shine.
Not long ago, I heard a quote whispered by our very own Eleanors, and the quote stuck with me. Which quote it is, you ask? Celebrate growth, not perfection, every step matters. This quote signifies optimism, courage, humility, and is a constant source of inspiration for us. May your journey ahead be filled with small steps that make you realize every step defines strength and not the success or failures achieved by others.
First impression is the last impression. And as we stand here today, we look back on the very first impression that shaped our journey. The first day we walked into the school, the first friendship we formed, the first lesson we learned, all became a foundation of who we are today. As we step into a new chapter, let us carry forward the values, kindness, and confidence we first discovered here.
A leader is the compass when the path is lost. In the chaos of uncertainty, a true leader doesn't navigate, they orient. Like a compass, they point towards purpose, calm storms, and guide others through fog. No answers needed, just pure direction. They embody vision, resilience, and courage, reminding us that even when the map shakes, the north remains steady. Leadership isn't about having all the steps. It's about facing the unknown together.